Here's how easy it is to begin dropshipping on AutoDS. First, head over to AutoDS's website and click on Start Now. Enter your email address, enter your full name and password. Next, select your selling channel. Choose the right package that's right for your business. Go over the features and benefits of each package and choose whichever one suits you best. Once you find the right package, click Try for 99 cents. Now enter your payment details. You can pay with PayPal, Payoneer, or credit card. When done, click Continue. Now we can begin the trial period and add our first store. This is how it's done. On the onboarding process, click on Add Store or click on it on the top left. Now choose your store according to the package that you chose. Enter the URL to your website. Accept the connection process between your store and the AutoDS system. Now the store was added. The next step is to import your first product. Let's choose any product from any supplier. In this example, we'll go with Amazon and search for dog bowl. Let's say this is the product that we want to add. This is one of the multiple import methods available on AutoDS. I'm simply going to hover over the URL and copy. Then head back to the AutoDS platform and on the top left, click on Add Products and go with Single Product. Here, paste the URL and make sure that the supplier source and region is correct. Then we're going to click on Edit Now Quick. Now, in just 1 second, all of the product's information from the supplier's website imported to the draft section of our store. Here, we can completely optimize the product, including the title, the collection, the tags, the country location, brand, monitoring automation, the product's description, the variations available, and you can also add additional variations from other suppliers, making a unique product page that nobody else has, the product's images, including an advanced image editor, and item specifications. Once you're done optimizing the product, click on Save and Import. And now the product will move from the drafts page to the products page, where it will go live in your store, where everyone can see your product and also purchase it. Once you'll get an order, you'll see it on the orders menu on the left side. Click on orders and you'll be able to see all of the customers' orders. And that is how simple it is to run a successful dropshipping business using AutoDS automation. With automatic price monitoring, stock monitoring, automatic orders, quick product importing, and so much more, it's only a matter of time for you to start your success story. Good luck, and we'll see you on the other side.